Dreaming of the perfect garden? These cordless shears will help you make it a reality. They weigh just 1.30 pounds, so they're easy to use with one hand. And since they come with two cutting heads, the shears can be used to trim both lawns and mahouses. Price: $50. The Hilti DX powder-actuated fastening tool is designed for driving single nails into concrete and steel. It is ideal for fastening formwork, scaffolding, and metal mesh, and works with nails up to 2.40 inches long. The gun is easy to maintain and so reliable that Hilti offers a 20-year limited warranty on it. Price: $544. Bielmeier is a great buy. For only $28, you get two tools in one package, a stapler and a nail gun. The tool is battery-powered and can fire 850 staples on a single charge. With a firing rate of 50 shots per minute, Bielmeier will become an indispensable assistant in repairs, carpentry, and creative work. After all, it is ready to work with a variety of materials, from fabric to wood. The Tap Buddy accessory is very useful if you need to not only drill holes, but also cut threads in them. The advanced design provides excellent lubrication, cooling, and chip removal. The accessory is compatible with drill bits and taps up to 0.5 inches in diameter and can be attached to a belt if necessary. Price: $68. The mini caliper from La Bear measures nuts and bolt heads from 5/16 inch to 1 inch. Don't waste time looking for the right wrench. Just take this tool out of your pocket and find out the size in a second. Price: $19. The chisel from Blue Spruce Tool Works is perfect for delicate woodworking. Its trump card is its replaceable blades, which allow you to handle even dovetail joints. Cryogenically treated A2 steel guarantees strength and durability. A set consisting of one handle and one blade costs $110. QUELP series hydraulic cylinders are an uncompromising combination of super low profile and load capacity up to 220,000 pounds. They are a wonderful solution for complex tasks where every inch counts. One cylinder rated for 22,000 pounds will cost $783. Tightener to roller. 2.0 is a miniature curvometer. With each new rotation, a clear click is heard, marking 3.90 inches and 5 inches in the Imperial version. A silicone O-ring adds comfort, but it can be removed if necessary. The tool costs $65. The Paint Eater Disc. Sander is designed to remove old paint. It can handle this task on wood, concrete, and even masonry, and will delight craftsmen with its speed of 2,600 revolutions per minute, and special discs that are gentle on surfaces and collect a minimum of paint and dust particles. The sander costs $90. With this cordless helper from Ryobi, you can forget about manual inflation. It inflates 8 queen-size mattresses in a flash on a single charge, and the built-in storage for attachments, deflation mode, and compact size make it ideal for camping, children's pools, and even vacuum packing items. The tool supports USB LITEUM system batteries and costs $54. The NS32 shears cut armored cables up to 1.26 inches in diameter. Thanks to their reliable ratchet mechanism and blade release function from any position, they can handle even the toughest jobs. Weighing only 1.30 pounds and capable of being operated on with one hand, they make cutting quick and easy. The shears cost $70. The LaserLine Power Cross. Laser 8G laser level is designed for professionals. It costs $900, but it offers a lot. The level's accuracy is plus or minus 0.004 inches per 39 inches. It features self-leveling and tilt compensation. It has 8 bright lines, 4 horizontal and 4 vertical. It can also be controlled from a remote control or a smartphone. The BLIDRC0 Cordless Impact Driver delivers compact power. It combines 3,000 revolutions per minute, 91.5 foot-pounds of torque, and a weight of 1.32 pounds. The BLIDRC0 is extremely convenient in confined spaces and is available at a price of $152. Maker PTVs. These are no ordinary Fractal vices. They feature a special combination of jaws that smoothly grip the workpiece when tightened, distributing pressure more evenly across the entire surface. No more distortions or damage, just perfect fixation for your projects. A set of 2 vices with a stroke of 1.70 and 3.50 inches will cost $350. This compact impact wrench from Milwaukee is a real breakthrough for auto repair shops. Measuring 4.30 inches long and 1.90 inches wide, it easily reaches the most difficult to access areas under the hood and weighs only 1.60 pounds, making it the lightest in its class. Yet it delivers an impressive torque of 225 foot-pounds. The tool is available for purchase for $329. Milwaukee has decided to show us a cordless bandsaw, but not just any bandsaw, one of the lightest and most compact on the market. Together with the battery, it weighs just over 6.6 pounds and is designed for one-handed operation. Yet it provides a cutting depth of 2.30 inches, and thanks to the combination of a brushless motor and constant power technology, cuts faster than any other in its class. The price is $274. Spider Pro is a practical holster that can hold a wide variety of tools, from tape measures and hammers to drills and reciprocating saws. It attaches to any belt and allows you to easily remove tools with one hand. Its compact design allows you to attach several Spider Pro holsters to your belt at once. One holster costs $45. Milwaukee engineers have done it again. Their chainsaw, paired with the M18-6.0 high-output battery, demonstrated impressive endurance. After cutting 50 logs with a diameter of 3.90 inches, there were still 3 bars of charge remaining. This is excellent news for those who require a compact tool that is capable of sustained operation. Tired of using a regular screwdriver? Try an electric one. The eAssist model offers torque of up to 7.40 foot-pounds and up to 12,000 revolutions per minute, and the bright LED light comes in handy when you have to fiddle with fasteners in the dark. This skill flashlight folds up nicely, is convenient for working in tight spaces, and shines for up to 9 hours on a single charge, dispelling darkness in a 360-degree radius. The maximum brightness is 300 lumens, and the extendable hook allows you to conveniently attach it both indoors and outdoors, for example, to a tree branch. An additional bonus is the USB-C port for charging gadgets. The flashlight costs $32. These scissors are useful for cutting cable channels, as well as for working with soft wood, rubber, and plastic parts. The $25 set includes 2 tools with non-slip handles and adjustable cutting angles from 22 degrees to 135 degrees. Wolfcraft has come up with just the right cutter for this issue. It is useful for preparing holes in drywall, as well as for removing burrs and enlarging holes in plastic. The marking tip makes the work more precise. And the cutter costs only $19. Clean windows without the hassle? Easy. The Ryobi window vacuum cleaner will clean your windows without leaving streaks. A special microfiber attachment will help remove stubborn stains. Are your windows sparkling clean? It's the vacuum cleaner to clean mirrors, shower partitions, and even tiles. Its suction is so powerful that you can even use it to pick up spilled liquids from a table or floor. The vacuum cleaner costs $100. This cordless cutter can handle cardboard, fabric, leather, and plastic. Its titanium-coated alloy steel blade stays sharp even after 100,000 cuts. Unlike many similar products, this cutter can operate for an entire hour on a single charge and weighs only 0.70 pounds. It is priced at $50. Tight Reach is a handy 10.20-inch long tool. It will be of interest to car mechanics at the very least. Is a bolt or clamp hidden too deep or surrounded by hot engine components? Bring Tight Reach. Similar pressure systems guarantee reliable fixation. It will not loosen until the mechanic unscrews the tension nut. Tight Reach costs $22.